Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to do an unboxing on a new item that I've bought. I've been doing some research on garlic keepers and I normally keep my garlic out. If you keep it in the refrigerator, in a crisper drawer, then you can definitely maintain it in there. However, the research that I've done on it in the past was that they typically like just keeping it out in a dark area outside of the refrigerator where it's cool. So with these garlic keepers or crocks, there are little holes in the bottom of them that maintain humidity levels in the crock itself. And so we'll take a look at it and we'll kind of go over some of the things that I saw on the research that I did with them. So like I said, this is a company that I found online and I wanted to show you what this was. So this is the little lid that comes with it. And you can see here on the top, it has a little hole in it for air ventilation. And we'll take a look at the bottom. All right, now that I've got the bottom half of the crock or the garlic keeper here out, I wanted to show you what that looked like so you can kind of see. You can see these holes that are in the bottom here. That's what's going to help create that environment that the garlic is going to stay fresh in here a little longer than it would be if you left it outside or if you kept it in the refrigerator. So what that does is once you put the lid on it, you put your garlic in it, it creates that environment in there that controls the humidity for the garlic to stay a lot fresher. If you found that if you leave it out on the counter, it will kind of dry out a little bit and start to split open. We definitely don't want that. If you leave it in the refrigerator, if it gets too wet in there, then a possibility for it to mold happens. So we definitely don't want that. So I thought I would give this a try and see how this is going to work. And I'm going to go over here and give this a little bit of a wash and give it a dry. And I'll come back and I'll put my garlic in it and I'll be right back. All right, I am back now and I've given my crock here a little wash. I just wanted to make sure that it was clean before I put my garlic in it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my garlic open. I've got 5 cloves of garlic here that I got in the store the other day. And I'm going to go ahead and put these whole right into the crock itself. All right, so I've got my 5 cloves of garlic in here and I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. And we're going to leave this on the counter and I'm going to be using the garlic out of it and I'm going to give this a test and I'll come back in the future and let you know my thoughts on this. But definitely wanted to show you this today. I wanted to see if it was going to work. Everything that I've read about them online and the research that I've done with them says that they help keep the garlic, preserve it a little bit longer than if you would if you just left it out in open air or if you put it in the refrigerator. So I'll give this a test. I'll come back. But I'll put the link in the description box of the one that I picked up today. If you want to do some research on it, I'll let you know where I got these from. I'm not sponsored by this company, and so they're not paying me to do anything with this product. I did purchase this with my own money. And so I'm just going to give it an honest review. I'll put it down here on the counter. We'll be using it over the course of the next couple of months, and I'll come back once I've used it for a while and let you know how it works out. So if you have one of these, definitely leave me a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you on what you think about yours if you've got one. And if you like it or you don't like it, I'd like to hear both positive and negatives on it. So anyway, I hope you like this content. And if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment on what you think about these garlic keepers, and I'll come back in the future and I'll let you know what I think about it and how I think it works. We'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.